What's up, guys? I am back with my second stash video. It's 4th of July today, so I hope you guys have a good 4th of July and be safe. So let's get into the video. Starting off, I got these rockets, these clustering bee rockets by Big Fireworks, and I got these snow and plum rockets by Mega Banger. Those should be good. Then I got these 36-inch long Morning Glories torch sparklers by Big, 3 feet. I got some Twisted Flowers by Magnus. This red smoke, I think this lasts for 40 seconds. It's by Big Fireworks. Some more Twisted Flowers. I got some Screamer fountains, bootlegger bombs, Screamer fountains. Got about 20 or so firecrackers. One half 12S Thunder Bomb cracker by Big Fireworks. I got 2 sets of these artillery shells. It comes with 6 by Big. Then I got these single big cracker by Big. Go big or go home. Comes with 100. Then got these number 3 cones. These are fountains. Comes with 3 pieces. Those should be good. Then lastly, I got this cake, 200-gram cake called Diamonds in the Sky by Black Diamond Fireworks. It's 12 shots. I'm probably gonna have this as my finale. The performance is white strobe mine to red with white strobe mine to green with white strobe mine to blue with white strobe. So that's it for my 4th of July stash 2018 part 2. Have a safe 4th of July, and I am